Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to start a new meeting on the Skype application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, click on the chats icon down below, and then you should tap on this camera or video icon in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on Start New Meeting. Now, as you can see, you should set your meeting name by clicking on the first box and type in the name of your meeting. Then you should see that there is this link below that you can send to other members to whom you would like to start your meeting with. Click on the Add Contacts button and tap on those people or that person that you would like to invite to your meeting, and then you should tap on the Start Now button down below if you are ready to start it. Here at the top you can see that you can turn on your microphone by tapping on the first option, your camera by clicking on the second option, and you can even change your camera by tapping on the last option. So click on the button Start Now, and then you will be able to start your new meeting. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.